Today's show is all about jump-starting your health. Now, if you can't get the body you want, no matter what you seem to be doing, your morning routine may be to blame. Tim Ferriss has 3 new rules that you must do within 30 minutes of waking up to reshape your body by doing barely nothing at all. It's easy, folks. That's what we're talking about today. So Karen says she would like to change her morning routine. So how do you start your mornings normally?
Right now, I wake up to my children and the chaos of 2 little boys. I have a 7-year-old and a 5-year-old, and I love them deeply, but it's all about them from the time I wake up. It's getting them dressed and getting them off to the bus. And once they're on the bus, then finally I can say, all right, now where do I start?
You are not alone. So we're going to help you jumpstart your day, but you got to do it by following a few simple rules. Now, I've already talked about Tim's big breakthrough idea, which is that you've got to have 30-30 rule in the back of your mind ingrained. That means specifically 30 grams of protein within 30 minutes of waking up in the morning. Can you all do that? Right? That has transformed the lives of women across the country. I've heard it from countless individuals. That's simple to do.
Okay.
But we've got 3 new tips we're going to talk about today.
Okay.
All right? The first tip we're going to talk about is using all-fat cream in your coffee. Yeah. You heard me right. All-fat cream in your coffee. Now, why is that better than using skim milk or creamers and the like?
Well, many women think they're doing the right thing by using skim milk, fat-free creamer, like you mentioned. The downside is that actually spikes insulin. And it turns out that the most delicious stuff of all, which is full-fat cream, does not spike insulin. So we have seen with this one change, because people are already drinking coffee, making that swap, we see some women, including women who have 2-3 kids, lose an additional 2 pounds of fat. And of course, the longer you use it, the more the benefits. But that small tweak can produce that type of change.
2 pounds of fat?
Yeah. And so what I suggest is typically 2 tablespoons of cream. So I'll just dose that out. It doesn't need to be exact.
This seems pretty easy and fun to do.
Super easy.
Yeah, I can do this.
Super easy.
Not hard.
Yeah.
Super easy and very, very tasty. So that's it. I mean, that's it. It doesn't take any more time.
All right, now come over here. This is the second big thing Tim's recommending. It's called the fat flushing tea. And what's in a fat flushing tea? The name's fantastic.
This is yerba mate tea. This is one of my favorites. And the reason is that it acts through 2 mechanisms to help you lose fat. The first is that it speeds your digestion for the entire day. So you can have it in the morning in place of coffee. You don't have to use all of these. You can choose one. The second is that it actually reduces your fat absorption because it decreases something called lipase, which is reduced from the pancreas. You don't have to know how it works, just that it works.
Give it a taste, see if you like it. I tell you what's most stunning to me is that 95% of households in some parts of the world, South America, use this. So it's a staple. It certainly can work for us as well.
Yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
And it's full of antioxidants. It's chock full of vitamins. It's a very, very good addition to someone's daily routine.
All right, that's 2 now. Now, you can choose either one, but this third one you can use with the first 2. And it's an idea that a lot of folks may have thought about, but we see it's very concrete about it. This is called Cassia Cinnamon Cheat. So not all cinnamon is created equally. Teach us a little bit about Cassia cinnamon and how cinnamon can be beneficial, especially in conjunction with the coffee, for example.
Absolutely. So this Cassia cinnamon, in particular, can be thought of as blood sugar insurance. So it helps to prevent the roller coaster ride that a lot of people experience throughout the day. And the way that you tell the difference, of course, between these 2 is that Ceylon, which is not what you want to get necessarily, rolls up from both sides, almost like a scroll. Whereas Cassia looks more like bark and will very often roll up from one side, like a cigar or something like that. You can take this, put a little bit into your coffee. You could certainly put it into your tea. You could sprinkle it onto your cottage cheese in the morning if that's what you're having. And it helps to allow you to maintain stable blood sugar, helps to reduce the likelihood of gaining fat, and all you need is a little teaspoon, and you're done.
You know, you start biting on this right now. Just with all those kids. You can do this, right? Make sure. Thank you very much for being with us. Tim, wonderful advice. I really enjoyed it. And thank you for being a human guinea pig. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.